Friends, today we are going to tell you about one such setting of YouTube. If you do this setting, then your channel will be ahead soon. Stay tuned in the video. We will tell you further. Do not skip the video even a bit, otherwise you will not understand. Let's start video. Friends, click here, setting, open, and wait. Click the channel and your choose country choose, and keyword write the name of the channel in small capital letter, and in you want to search otherwise keyword, then you can fill it. Wait, friends. Next step, friends, advanced setting. Click here and scroll down. If you make video for kids, then press yes. If you don't make video for kids, then press no. Click no. And next setting, feature eligibility. Press, friends, and check here, eligible. Friends, next step, upload default. Press here, and friends, fill the title, description, and visibility. Fill and tag fill, and friends, advanced setting, go advanced setting, comment allow, and your video language choose. Video language choose, friends. Okay, friends, save here. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel.